there are over 10 billion animals killed for food in the U.S. every year. And when I saw the circumstances under which they were raised, I was appalled. If people had any idea how their food was really produced, they wouldn't buy it. Animals are sentient beings. They can feel pain, and they can feel frustration. As a society, we should just remember that you need to have respect and compassion for any living thing. What we're doing is trying to provide relief for the 10 billion animals that are killed in the U.S. for food every year. It's a certification and labeling program that is based on humane rearing and slaughter standards for farm animals that assures consumers that when they purchase products that have the logo on it, that those animals from birth through slaughter were raised humanely. We started in February of 2003. We launched in May. There were 143,000 animals raised under our standards. We are making excellent progress.